Hi class, in this video I'm going to read the first two paragraphs of Mirror Image, and we're going to talk about our protagonist Alice and some pertinent information related to narrative techniques and the story itself. If only there were no mirrors, Alice sometimes thought, although she carried one in her backpack wherever she went. It was a silver-plated mirror her father had given her with the initials ACS on the back. Just you, Alice, she would say to herself, looking the way you've always looked. Then she'd pull out the mirror. The surprise and disbelief at seeing the reflection was a joke she played on herself over and over. It was disquieting, however, to come upon the mirror without warning. She would say, "Excuse me," to her own reflection in shop windows. Mirrors in unexpected places would make her start and lose her nerve. She avoided the girls' bathroom altogether. Alice took to wearing sunglasses all the time to remind herself to keep something constantly in front of her eyes that will remind her that she looked different. Her teachers let her wear them. Maybe the word had come down from the top that she wasn't to be hassled for a while. So, we can see here from the character name and the pronouns she, her, herself, that this is in third person, but we also have thoughts. Alice sometimes thought, looking the way you've always looked. That's another thought. So this tells us that this is third person limited from Alice's perspective. So how does this point of view shape our understanding of Alice and when we are introduced to her conflict? We also see, I've circled in pink, different things that we should notice right off the rip about Alice. If only there were no mirrors, the surprise and disbelief that she sees at seeing her reflection. It feels disquieting to see her reflection. She's saying "excuse me" to herself in the mirror and windows. She loses her nerve when she looks at herself. She avoids the girls' bathroom altogether to keep from looking in the mirror. And she's wearing sunglasses to remind herself that she looks different. So she has these issues with mirrors. So we know that something unusual has happened to Alice. I want you to make an inference. What do you think is the conflict? As we continue to read, we will figure out the conflict and also look at some more narrative techniques the author uses to describe Alice and to convey the plot of the story.